welcome back again for another Bini reaction. Heto na, Blooms! Totoo na to. Ito na yung pinakahihintay nating variety show with Bini. So, hindi tayo pinabayaan kahit malayo sila, kahit naka-LDR tayo. Hindi natin sila pwedeng mamiss sa sobrang daming ayuda na ibinibigay sa atin ng Bini. So, wow, here we go, here we go. Let's go for another Bini Ayuda. And tagal na natin tong hinihingi, di ba? Gusto nyo to, di ba? Variety show. So, panoorin muna natin yung trailer before sa mismong variety show. So, 8 p.m. pa naman yung start and it's 7:45 p.m. pa lang. So, bago natin simulan ang chaotic moments with Bini, let's watch the trailer. Let's go!
Game na po?
Game na, joke! Oh my gosh, ang ganda ni Aya. Oh.
Sana makita nila yung totoong
Nice tapo.
pangis ng Bini pagdating sa mga game.
Oh, ganda ni Mika. Lahat sila maganda. Walang tapon. Paka-cute. Hey, she. It's game time. Bini versus. Hey, let's go. So that's it. Trailer muna. Trailer muna bago ang lahat. So, balik tayo later at 8 p.m. So, see you guys. Hey, Bloom! So, we're back because it's exactly 8 p.m. na and the Bini variety show will begin shortly. And ito na nga, diba? Ito na! Oh my gosh, let's go! Excited ang lahat? Excited ang lahat? Okay, so syempre, may countdown. Countdown muna! Masyado kayong excited eh. So, this is another chaotic scene with Bini. I'm so excited kung anong mga kaganapan nila dito. For sure, may mga games sila. No script, hindi scripted. Alam nyo naman yung Bini, they're just being real and authentic on their own. Kaya naman, sobrang chaotic na ito. Napakatagal ng intro. Pero okay lang yan. Magdaldalan muna tayo because we still have 30 more seconds. So, ayun na nga. Hinihingian nyo ng variety show ang Bini. Ayan, binigyan tayo. Kahit na malayo sila, at least, di ba? Hindi sila nagpapamiss. Kahit miss na natin sila at nangungulila ang mga Blooms. And here we go. It's 10 more seconds. Let's go! Simulan na natin to. I'm so excited. Let's go, Blooms! Episode Aramahal. So that's it, Blooms. Hope you enjoy. And I'm excited sa mga edits ng Blooms na lalabas. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me for this first ba? Variety show ng Bini. And thank you, Master Colette, for the hosting. Nag-enjoy ako sa pangatlong challenge na sobrang perfect ng reaction ni Master Jo. So, yun lang. Thank you, Bloom. See you again soon. Bye.